Can the antibodies from llamas help the fight against COVID? That's a real question being asked by scientists in Belgium, and if clinical trials there live up to their early promise, then the answer may be yes. Researchers from the Flemish Institute for Biotechnology and Ghent University Centre for Medical Biotechnology are saying that antibodies extracted from a llama named Winter, that's winter munching there, have blunted the virulence of coronavirus infections in lab testing. The tech wouldn't be used to replace vaccines, but rather to supplement them, helping to protect people with weaker immune systems and those hospitalized by the virus. Nico Callewaert is a professor at Ghent University.
So llamas have a particular kind of the second kind of antibody as compared to humans, for example. They're called heavy chain only antibodies, so they're much more simple than the ones that we have. And because of that, we can easily take a little snippet of that protein and glue it up to other proteins. It's like a bit like Lego of proteins that you can do with them much more easily than with our antibodies. So that's the reason why we're using them. It has been a discovery about 30 years ago at the University of Brussels, which now that department is also part of our institute, so we have a long tradition with working with these kind of antibodies. Why llamas have such kind of antibodies is an open question, I think.
The researchers also say that their early studies have shown effectiveness against several variants of the disease, including the highly infectious Delta variant. A spin-off of the Biotech Center called Exevir says it could be a game changer if successful. Clinical trials were started in August and will look at both healthy volunteers and hospitalized patients. The trials are being conducted in partnership with a Belgian pharmaceutical company called UCB.